Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be going to the pool, and I got my backpack with me, so I might do a little drawing today. So yeah, guys. You guys, I heard the other pool was closed, but I'm just gonna go see. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to head over there to see if it's closed or not, because I know they've been doing construction in my neighborhood. Okay, you guys, here we go again. Let's try to go see if it's open. And yeah, hopefully there won't be iguanas. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh guys, by the way, I'm wearing my little mini dress. Well, not dress, but like swimwear. It looks like Minnie Mouse. But yeah, I feel like a princess or a queen. It's a beautiful day outside on a Sunday. Yeah. You guys, so I'm just gonna open it to see if it's open. Yeah, if there's iguanas, honestly, I'm just gonna have to stick with it. If there is, yeah. Guys, this is, the pool is closed. Oh my goodness. Maybe they're gonna do construction or something, I don't know, but this sucks. You guys, so the neighbors just told me that the pool is closed, man. Like, I really wanted to go in that one, but I guess they said that there was like a fire, so I guess that's probably why they closed it down. But I'm just gonna go to the other one because I can't be bothered with taking the bus today. So yeah, it's just gonna be a pool day today. So you guys can see me kind of in the shade, but I'm just heading to the other pool right now. Yeah, I was kind of communicating in Spanish a little bit to the neighbors, you know, Piquito. So yeah, but I kind of want to learn different languages and be fluent, because I learn certain words in other languages. So yeah, I think I'm gonna, you know, really try to learn different languages. The first one I want to try is Spanish, and then French, and then any other language that's in the Caribbean. So yeah. That's the park right here. It's a little close-up area. I feel like they should upgrade this mini park. Like, they should have like better swings than that. Okay, you guys, so I'm here. I made it to the pool. I don't know if you guys can see me, but yeah, guys, I made it to the pool right there. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm just going to technically shower, but I mean, I can't really shower without soap, but I'm just gonna rinse off, and then yeah, I'm gonna try to take a dip. So yeah, enjoy, guys. Actually wasn't something I expected. I thought I could like just let go of the water pipe and be able to just get wet, but I had to hold it, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go in the water right now, and yeah, it's pretty hot. You guys, I can never be great. Every time I put the selfie stick down, it wants to fall. Like, this is a different selfie stick. I don't really like this one, but you gotta make use of what you have. But yeah, guys, the pool is kind of like dirty. Like, it kind of has like leaves in here, and like I'm too lazy to clean it myself. Too lazy. But yeah, guys, so let me kind of go more inside the water and speak to you guys more. Yeah, it's actually, the water's pretty warm. It's not cold. I thought it was actually going to be cold, because usually on like hot melted days, oh, I just bit my tongue. But yeah, usually on hot, ew. Jesus. Yo, there's freaking dragonflies or dragon bees or whatever you call it. I think it's dragonflies, right? Guys, I don't really... Sometimes I know we should appreciate the outdoors, but it's like... You see? This is gonna be an interesting vlog. But yeah, we're supposed to appreciate the outdoors, but it's like so much insects, so much bugs, and I have like sensitive skin, so it's like, you know, I really don't like things biting me at all. But yeah, guys. Guys, my phone had shut off, but there's like bees in here, like dragonflies, and they keep buzzing in my ear. But yeah, my phone keeps overheating because of the heat, like the sun. But yeah, guys, oh, I'm not alone in the water today. I can never, guys, I can never be alone. Like, someone always wants to be in my space. I mean, I know it's a public place, but you know, I can't really tell people no, because just like nobody could tell me no. But yeah. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a little weird vlogging now, but there was something that I was gonna tell you guys, but now I can't remember. Oh, I think I was just gonna show you me swimming, and it's about, hold on. Oh, I just wanted to say, guys, so yeah, guys, what was I gonna say? Oh, so thank you guys for subscribing and giving me 400 subscribers. Oh my God, it's so loud. But yeah, thank you guys for giving me 400 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Road to 500 to 1K, and yeah, guys, new things are happening. You guys, I didn't do my hair because I was like, it doesn't make sense because I'm going in the water. So I was like, I don't know, I don't think I should do it. Sorry if like my energy is off right now because I'm not alone in the pool. But yeah, guys. Feel weird. Oh my God. I feel so weird. But yeah, this is what happens when you have to vlog in public. Yeah, even though it's your neighborhood, but it's not your private home. So yeah. Look, guys, woo! You guys, so I know you guys can't really see me too well, but I decided to just sit down and kind of talk to you guys instead of like bringing my phone closer to the pool, because every time I go in the water with the selfie stick, like my phone overheats like really bad, so I don't know. But yeah, I'm not the only one in the water, well, in the pool site. So guys, I feel so beautiful today. Guys, I tried to record the first time and I guess it didn't record, so I had to redo the clip. But yeah guys, I got water in my ear. Oh, I kind of look cute. Hold on, I look cute. But yeah, I love you guys. Yeah, melanin skin. But yeah, guys, the pool is really nice. I don't know, I didn't eat anything yet, so oh, I got water in my ear. But I don't know if I'm gonna go inside and eat for a little bit. I don't know, but I do know I want to draw. You guys, this is my hair, how it looks without being combed. I didn't comb my hair out or anything, but yeah. You guys, so tell me how there was a person that I had met at the library. I'm not gonna say his name, but he literally looked just like my ex-roommate, like my roommate that I had, my old roommate. And it was literally so weird. Like, he literally looked just like him, and it was just like, I assumed that it was him. It was just weird. But yeah guys, there's a lot of people in this world that kind of look alike, you know. Like, for instance, like one girl came into the store one time and everyone was saying like she looks like me. So it's like there's a lot of people that kind of look like people in this world, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, just wanted to say that. Yeah, I don't know if technically that's like me being traumatized again, but it's okay. Yeah, I kind of assumed it was him. It's kind of weird, but yeah guys. Woo! I can swim, guys. It's just hard for me to hold the selfie stick while I swim, because I just don't want to drop my phone in the water. So it's like, it's kind of weird.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
You guys, I hate when water gets in my ear, but I don't want my phone to overheat, so this might be a short vlog today, more likely. Y'all, I got water in my ears. I mean, in my nose and in my ears. But yeah, look at my pretty swimsuit, guys. Look at it. Woo! I feel like a mermaid today. A mermaid. Yeah guys, so about the exam, they didn't have that particular program, so I might have to go to a university to check it out to see if they have. You guys, I literally just almost drowned in the water. I was floating and I guess the water came way on top of my face, because I guess they probably added a lot of water in here. So yeah, I literally almost drowned. And you probably are like, how you almost drowned if you know how to swim? Well, because I was doing the little float technique, and so yeah, that's how I almost drowned. But I'm okay, guys. I think I'm gonna go inside and try to eat something, because I'm really hungry. So yeah guys, I don't know if I'm gonna come back in the water. I might, I'm not sure. So you guys, right now I'm on my way to go back inside the house. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm coming back out. I might, but I'm really hungry. So yeah.